I can eliminate this part of the lock on the outside, so you can't open it from the outside. Do you ever need it from the outside?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that because basically if someone yanks hard enough, they might be able to open it. But if I get rid of it, I'll just put, it actually comes with it to make it a one-sided lock.
That's fine.
Yeah, I think it's smarter. You put these on so you guys can't open
You do
it.
YouTube videos or what?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Referral actually?
Huh?
YouTube videos?
Yeah. I'll give you my channel.
Yeah, let me know. I want to see.
Yeah, I think it's smart to eliminate it.
Yeah?
It's up to you. I could leave it on.
No, you can get it off. It's useless anyways.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put, I gotta figure out which screws I can use for this. I'm gonna have to get a drill bit and make a bigger hole. Let's see if it'll work out. Well, these screws are gonna be too short, so I'm gonna have to actually, I'm gonna cut these screws to make them the right size. I gave myself more work over here, but it's a lot safer for them. No, these will work. These ones will work fine. That's what we'll do. Alright, let me get a drill bit. Funny enough, I just picked up a new set. Alright, let's match this up. Perfect. Alright, now friends, if you have a drive-through and you have that on the opposite side to get rid of it, look on this one. You can't open it from the outside at all.